Hello everybody, welcome to music class. I'm so excited to be with you. Although I'm sad that we can't be together, I'm excited that I get to connect with you online. My name is Mrs. Baker and I'm your new music teacher. I'm so excited to get to know you. I thought that I'd tell you a little bit about myself. And while you're listening, I want you to think about the things you like and let's see if we have anything in common. So I like to sing. I also like to eat sushi. It's so delicious. I love salmon. I love tuna. I love it all. I love to sleep. It feels so good and so rejuvenating. I like Dr. Pepper. I love swimming. And last but not least, I love to be silly. Even though I can't see you, I want you to make your silliest face. This is my family. I'd love to tell you about them. So this is my husband, Brian, and my son, Jonah. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my husband, Brian. We can call him Mr. Baker. And as I tell him about you, see if you have anything in common with him. He loves cats and flying his drone. We have a cat named George. He's so fluffy. He loves snowboarding. And he loves anime. Anime is a type of cartoon in Japan. This is our son Jonah. He's almost 3. He loves dressing up, watching Mickey and the Roadster Racers, and playing at the splash pad. Some things that you should know about me is I love to be silly. I will never ever judge you. I believe in you. I will be on your side. You can definitely trust me, and I'm over the moon excited to get to know you. Some of the things we'll be learning this year is instruments. We'll be learning about the music notes and rhythms, and we'll be singing. This is a quote by Ludwig van Beethoven. He is a famous composer and musician from the classical era. He said, "Music can change the world." And I'd love for you to ponder what that means to you. To me, it means even if the world is crazy and scary sometimes, music can lift our spirits. It can remind us about all the good there is in the world. Once again, I'm so excited to get to know you guys, and I'm excited to be your teacher. Thanks for watching my video.